Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will see how to get values in a JSON object using key references and array index without using JSON parser. Okay, so here it will be simple expression where we will not be using any JSON parser. Okay, so this is the expression which we will be using. This is just a glimpse what we will be using. Okay, now let's go to my flow which I've created. So here I have a list, okay, and this is the data inside the list, okay, title, ID, and these values and these columns, delivered, delivery, and so on. Okay, now when we are now coming to the get items, so this is the get items from the SharePoint connector. So you have to use get items, okay. You have to get items from a SharePoint list. You have to use this connector, okay. You can read more on this link, okay. Get items. Now I will be selecting the list L1. So here the list name is L1, so it should come here in the drop down L1, okay. I have other list also, so but I have selected L1, okay. The rest all is fine. So when you run this one till this get items, you will get this kind of JSON, okay. So here status code, headers, and so on, body, value, and so on. Okay, so this is the structure data which you will be getting, structure of the data which you will be getting. So this is kind of a JSON, right? JSON, inside it you have a elements inside its key value. So this is the property and this is the value, and this is again in an array format, okay. So value and then array, property, value, and so on, okay. So this is the, so here this key has so many values, right? So value has array, right? So this array, you know, can have many values, right? So this is the first value in that array, okay. This is the 0 index, and then you have this is the odata dot tag, right? This is the first element in the array, and this is the second element in the array. If you go down, you will see there is no more values, right? So there are only two elements in this array. So this is a key and value. There are two values which is in the format of array, okay. So suppose you want to read the value from this JSON, right? Ideally you will use JSON parser, but that is little tricky sorry, which I found. So I will give you a simple expression which I have shown earlier, that will be very handy to extract the values, okay. So I will be using this expression. I will be taking a compose, okay, and this is the expression which I have created. So body and value, so this is the body value which you will be passing like this, and then you will be passing one more, 1. So what does 1 mean? 1 is the index of the array. So as you know, I have shown you there are two elements in that array, right? Okay, so there are two elements, 1 and 2, but the index starts with 0 as in computer programming language, right? So here I want to check the value of this first element, and I want to get this property value, that is 2. I should return me 2. So I have created this expression in this format, okay. So you can note down this format, okay. And these get items I have got from the dynamic content, okay. So if you select body, right, automatically it will populate all this. So first you have to type outputs in the expression, then come to dynamic content and select body. It will populate this expression till here. Then you have to add this index, okay, and then the property name, that is ID. So update here, save it. So now let me resubmit it because I already ran it right once. So this is just a warning, you can ignore, okay. So let's see, it has succeeded. All these 3 steps have succeeded. Get items. So as you can see here, this has succeeded. When you click on download, it will take you to here, this page, and it will show you the data, okay. Now I want to see whether my value has been extracted properly or not. So here you can see outputs is given as 2. That is correct, right? Yeah, this is 2. But if I want to extract the second element value, that is id, then I should give here index is 1. Okay, so you have to note it. You can also read other values like delivered. Okay, let me change it. Let me just pass, instead of id I want to just give delivered. Okay, and then update it, save it. Okay, then I come to here, then resubmit it. Means you can run it from here also. Let me show you how to run it. So you can go to test, manually test. Okay, then run flow. Within few seconds it will started. It has started. Then you go to flow run page. It will take you to new page which I was showing earlier. So now you click on this run, just which happened just now. Okay, so all 3 steps are succeeded. Now let me see what is the value. I wanted to see the value of delivered, right? Okay, so here, yeah, so this I selected first item, right? So that's why the value is given as no. Okay, so here you can see I selected first index, correct? So that, and first index delivered property value. So here delivered property value. Similarly you can use other property to get the values. Okay, so this is how you read the values or get the values without using JSON parser. I hope you have found this useful, and please do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet again. Thank you so much.